Here's a question from square and square root. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2257 to get a perfect square. This number is not a perfect square. We have to find a number which must be subtracted from this so that this number can become perfect square. For this, we'll use a long division method, the same method where we used to find the square root. In this method, first step is to start pairing up the numbers. We have to pair it from the right side. So this will form a one pair and this is other pair. You can see that we don't have a divisor. Divisor will change in every step. So for the first step, the divisor will choose in such a way that square of that number is equals to 22 or less than 22. That is, we have to find the perfect square number. We know perfect square, like 2 square is 4, 4 is a perfect square. Next we have 3 square, which is 9. Then 4 square, which is 16. Then we have 5 square, which is 25. The 25 is greater than 22. So we'll go for 16, that is 4 square is 16. We'll write 4 here. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract it, we get 6. Now we'll drop the other number. Now when we drop it, we have to drop the entire pair, that is 57. Now we have 657. Again for this step, divisor will change. How to find the divisor? In the quotient we have 4. We have to take the double of 4, that is twice of 4. Twice of 4 is 8. Now 8 will be in the tens place. We have to find one more digit in the units place, that is ones place. And how to find this number in units place? Remember, when we multiply this number, let's take an example. Suppose in a ones place we take 2. So this will be 82 times we have to multiply with the same number we have taken in the ones place. So we'll multiply 82 by 2, which is 4, and here we'll get 16, 164. Now 164 is quite small. We have a 657. So we have to find a number which is equals to this or less than this. So we'll take another number. Let's take 6. So 86 times 6. So these two numbers should be same. The number in the unit place and the number we are multiplying. 6 times 6 is 36. And 6 times 8 is 48. And then we have a carry here. 48 plus 3 is 51. Now this is quite smaller number. We'll take another number. Let's take 7. 87 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Now 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. Now 609 is closer to 657, but we'll try with another number. Let's take 88 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Again 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. Now we have 704. Now 704 is greater than 657. Therefore, we will select this number, that is 87 times 7. So we'll write 7 in the unit place and we'll write 7 here in the quotient. Now when we multiply 87 times 7, we get 609. We'll write this here. Now we'll subtract. When we subtract, we get 48. Now this is a remainder here. So if we remove 48 from this given number, then this number will become perfect square number. Now this number is not perfect square because this number is not completely divisible. We have a remainder here. So the question here is, what is the least number by which this number should be subtracted? So the number is 48. Therefore, we can conclude the answer. 48 is the least number. That's it. So when we subtract it, we'll get 2257. We'll subtract this by 48. 2209. Now this is a perfect square number. Square root of 2209 is 47. It is same as the number we obtained in the quotient.